when we close ourselves off to the world. It often shows up here, in the chest, in the curve of the shoulders, in the way we breathe a little shallower than we should. This flow is your gentle reminder to open again, to breathe deeper, to soften the hammer, to let your heart lead the way. Let's begin seated and take a deep breath in. Feel your ribs expand beneath your palms. Exhale slowly and imagine the weight around your heart melting away. Now, interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale, draw your shoulders back and down. Lift your chest gently toward the sky. This chest expansion pose opens the front of your body, inviting more breath, more space, more light. From here, release your hands and come to hold force for cat-cow. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, lift your gaze. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Flow with your breath awakening the spine, freeing the front of your body, and letting each inhale feel like a sunrise within you. Now, step your right foot forward into low lunge. Reach your arms up overhead and open your heart toward the ceiling. Feel the stretch ripple through your chest and shoulders. Let your breath soften the tightness. Switch sides when you are ready. Transition into puppy pose. Walk your hands forward. Let your chest melt toward the mat. Hips high, arms long. This pose gently opens the shoulders and upper chest, creating space where tension used to live. When you rise, move into Cobra pose. Lie on your belly, hands under shoulders, and as you inhale, lift your chest, drawing your heart forward and up. Keep your elbows soft, your gaze gentle. Let your breath feel like sunlight spreading through your chest. Then come to a seated position again. Bring your palms together at your heart. Take one last slow breath in and feel your chest rise, not from effort, but from freedom. This is what it means to expand, to breathe, to feel, to let the world back in. If this practice supported you, if it touched you in any kind of way, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Have a beautiful day.